Welcome to Aizeka.com. With the help of artificial intelligence on Aizeka, you can get blog and article title ideas, write blog and article posts with these title ideas, or write blog and article posts with your own provided titles. By clicking on the Generate Title button, you can enter the page for generating blog and article post titles. You can enter a keyword about the topic you want to create a title for, or if you don't like the title provided, you can write your own title and get different title ideas about that topic. You can also make changes to the generated results if you don't like them. By clicking on the title you like, you can generate an article about that title. Keep in mind that the time it takes to create an article or blog post may vary depending on the workload. Once your article or blog post is generated, you can copy it, save it, and access it again later, or delete it anytime you want. If you want to create articles or blog posts with your own ready-made titles without generating title ideas, you can click the Create button under the article generation text and create blog and article posts with your own title. If you save your created blog and article posts, you can access them again anytime by clicking the All Saved Blogs button on the panel. To add funds to your wallet, you can click the Add Balance button, choose one of the ready-made balance amounts or enter your desired amount, and easily add balance after making the payment.